Hey everybody, Sean at Stone RV here. I've got a 2020 Rockwood, model number 2898. This one here is a non-bunk model. This unit here has 4 slides. It's got a big pass-through storage. Inside your storage, you've got your self-leveling monitoring panel. It's got the turning point 5th wheel hitch system. There's another look at your pass-through storage. It's got power awning, solid steps. It's got the rear rack with the hitch on it. It's got a ladder, camera prep. When you walk into this unit, first thing you have is your kitchen. You got your counter space and your sink. You got your stove, your fridge. On the left-hand side, you've got your little booth table. Here's your big pantry in your kitchen. When you walk to the back of the unit, you've got a very big living space with 3 couches. Both of these couches are hide-a-beds. There's your big entertainment center with your fireplace. Lots of storage in this unit. Walk up the stairs. Left-hand side is your bathroom, your sink, your toilet, your big corner standing shower. You got 2 entrances into your bedroom, one from the bathroom. And there's your slide out wardrobe. Big storage. If you want to come take a look at this unit or even have any questions on it, feel free to give me a call or send me a text, 780-779-3102.